The first experience I had was with Foamco, and we were renovating our home, adding a second floor, changing the configuration of our first floor. And so the front wall of our house faces a very busy road. It's a state road, it's a 55-mile-an-hour road, so it's very noisy. So we thought, in addition to the insulating value, that might help with sound as well. And it definitely has. We've noticed a huge difference since we put that in. And that was quite a few years ago. We were very comfortable when the work was being done. One of the things that we noticed is that when the workers were here, they were very conscientious about keeping the area clean and making sure that when they were done, that there wasn't a huge mess left over. That is something that we definitely appreciated. It was a finished basement, but our house was built in the 60s. And at the time, certainly energy was not something that people thought about. You know, the windows would rattle and blow when the wind blew, move when the wind blew. And the previous homeowners, when the house was built, just took paneling and just put it up on the cement block in the basement. We also had the problem with water coming up through the basement. So we had a sump pump for many years, but unfortunately that didn't take care of the problem. A little over a year ago that we had basement systems come in, and it's unbelievable, the difference. First of all, we don't get water in our basement at all anymore, but we really can tell a difference with the dampness. It doesn't, that cold and that dampness doesn't radiate down there like it did before. So we're just absolutely thrilled. I couldn't be happier, I'll tell you, with that. I just didn't believe it was going to happen, and it did. It was great. The service that we've experienced with all of the companies has just been phenomenal. We are really happy with everything that we've gotten. We know we have good quality. We also put insulation on the walls in the basement after we did the waterproofing. And my husband and I were just commenting the other day at how solid it feels in the basement. The dampness is definitely not there like it used to be. There's a little bit of dampness, which there will be because it's a basement, but significantly reduced. And now, after putting that insulation on the wall, we just had the sheetrock put up this week. It's so exciting because now it doesn't feel like a basement. It feels like another room. And I didn't think it was going to happen. I just thought, it'll still, be that damp kind of feeling. It doesn't. I'm excited and looking forward to finalizing it. If I was to give advice to someone, I absolutely would say, go to Foamco, talk to the guys there. We worked with Dave, who is just a tremendous person. What's really nice about working with someone like Dave is everything he said came true. And so that makes me want to go back to him. And, obviously we've worked with so many companies that shows how comfortable we were with them. And it also shows that we can believe in these companies. And so when he would come in and make suggestions to us, we would absolutely go with it now. We don't even second guess it. And we don't go to other companies anymore because we know, as I stated before, that the quality is there, it's a good price, and I'm not looking for someone to shortcut me. I want to know it's going to be done well, and the service is second to none as far as I'm concerned. It's really terrific.